Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up a VPN on your Steam Deck using the Tunnel Deck plugin and NordVPN. There's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN for a great price. By default, Steam Deck only supports WireGuard, but with Tunnel Deck, you can now use OpenVPN as well. This is great if you're using NordVPN, which supports OpenVPN configuration files. Using a VPN on your Steam Deck lets you access geo-restricted content. For example, if Xbox Game Pass Cloud Gaming is not available in your country, you can connect to a supported region and access it easily. First, make sure you have Decky Loader installed on your Steam Deck. Once Decky is installed, open the Decky store and install the Tunnel Deck plugin. After installation, we'll move to desktop mode to set up the VPN. In desktop mode, download the VPN configuration files from the NordVPN website, log into your account and go to the Download section. Download the file for the server you want to use. For example, if you want to appear in the Netherlands, download the Netherlands server file. Now, open System Settings on your Steam Deck. On the left, click Network, then go to the Connection section. Here you'll see your current connections like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click the plus button to add a new connection. Scroll down and select Import VPN connection. Then click Create. Locate and open the file you downloaded from NordVPN. When asked if you want to copy your certificates, click Yes. Now the VPN connection is added. Rename it to something easy like NordVPN Netherlands. Enter your NordVPN username and password. Then, make sure you set the password storage to Store Password for all users. This is important because Steam Deck uses the root user for these connections. Finally, click Apply. Now, return to gaming mode. Open the Quick Access menu by tapping the three-dot button. In the Decky plugin list, select Tunnel Deck. You'll see your new VPN connection listed there. Tap it to connect. Once connected, your internet traffic is routed through the VPN. To check it's working, open a browser and search What's My IP? You should see a new IP address from the country you connected to. You can also switch between different VPN locations the same way, depending on what content you want to access. That's how you set up NordVPN on your Steam Deck using Tunnel Deck. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Thanks for watching.